What's up, guys? Zero Gaming. Today I'm going to surprise you guys. I know it's been a long time. I'm not taking a video for a month, so I got this. It's Baby Yoda. Let's open it. I don't know what's opening it. Here's the baby. He's so cute. So you see this thing right here. If you want it, you can put it back if you want. So yeah. Oops. See the back? That's baby. It's gonna come out. Oh, wait. Here he is, Baby Yoda. Hi, I'm Baby Yoda. Goo, 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 goo. I want chicken gnocchi. And you see, oops. I have two rings on. I got this one like yesterday, and I got this one. Woohoo! Hey. So, peace. Bye-bye.